Hello guys, how are you? In this video I'm going to show you how can we find uh, common items from two different lists, and we will use five different methods and we will see why are we using them. Okay, so first is, let me create common element variable, and here is our first method, which is using the set intersection. Here I will use set list1 and set list2, right? And this will be the list of common elements. Okay, print common elements are common element. Let's run it. Okay, apple and bananas. You can see apples are present in both lists and bananas are also present in both lists, so both are common elements, right? So this was our first method to find commons, and this is very clean and clear and short way. Let's continue to our next method, which is using list comprehensions. Okay, sorry if I am pronouncing wrong, comprehension. So here I am going to again create common elements, and here I will use for loop to check in list item for item in list 1 if item in list 2. Okay, the line is self-explanatory itself, so the line is explaining itself that item in list 1 if item in list 2 means if you find the item in the list 2 as well, then add it to this list, right? Let me run this program. It's working, you can see. Okay, so this was our second method, which is called list comprehension, and this is also very easy. Okay guys, let's continue to our next method, which is using filter and lambda. Filter method, filter is a function built in Python, and it checks for each element and return true and false. True if it finds the element, and false if it fails. So here is our third method. Here we will use list, and then we will call our function filter. This is the function built in Python, and here we will use lambda x in list 2 list 1. Okay, so this will check if the element is present in both lists, then filter will return true and the element will be added to this list. If it doesn't find the common element, filter will return false and it won't be added here. Okay, so the unique element will be skipped. Let's try it. See, it's working. So this was our third method. Now our fourth method is using a library which is collection library. Here we will need to import the module from collection import counter, and here we will use common elements list, and here we will use the counter we imported here. Okay, now here I will pass list 1 and counter list 2, right? And here we will use elements, right? Let's try this. No module collection. I made some mistake here. Let me check. From collections, yeah, it's collections. Okay, it's working now, right? So this was our fourth method. Guys, please like and subscribe my channel if you did not subscribe, and like the video if you find this useful for you. I do my best to make things easier for you, and I also recently started short series where you can see useful quick codings in just 1 minute, so you may check them out. Okay, here I'm going to use our final method, which is numpy module, and here I will import numpy as np. Okay, and numpy is a module which is widely used for numerical data, etc. Here we are using it. Okay, so common element np dot, here we will call it's a method intersect 1d, right? And here I will pass list 1 and list 2. Okay, now I will run the program here. Okay guys, so it's working. So all 5 methods has been used here, and I hope you will like this video. In my opinion, our sets method was very clean and clear and short method to find commons, and the second, this is also, yeah, I like this one as well, which is list comprehension, right? And if you go for this one, filter lambda, it works also good. For these 3 methods you don't need to import any module, like I imported numpy here for our 5th method and collection dot counter for our 4th method. I did my best to make things easier for you. See you guys in next video. Goodbye.